Imagine turning on your TV and suddenly everything looks different. Sharper, faster, smarter, more alive. That is exactly what Apple is preparing for 2025 and today. We are diving deep into the new Apple TV 4K 2025, a device that many people think is just a streaming box, but in reality, it is becoming something much bigger. Something that might completely change how we watch TV at home. Stay with me till the end because what Apple is doing this year is far more surprising than anyone expected. And the last part of this video might shock even longtime Apple users. The Apple TV has always been a clean, powerful, silent little box sitting under the TV, but the 2025 version is becoming the brain of your home. Entertainment system. From the outside, it still looks minimal, still simple, still almost invisible. Classic Apple design. But the changes inside transform it into a completely different level of performance. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the Apple TV 4K 2025 is the new A17 based chip. And if you know Apple chips, you already know what this means. This is the same level of performance that powers high-end iPhones. It means apps open instantly. Navigation feels buttery smooth. Animations look like they are floating on air. And games, for the first time ever, might actually feel like a mini console experience. Apple is focusing heavily on gaming this year. Not just casual mobile games, but real console-level experiences. With developers bringing bigger titles to Apple Arcade and native support improving dramatically, this device is turning into something powerful enough for serious play. Imagine picking up a controller, opening a game on your 4K TV, and feeling zero lag, no stutters, just pure smooth performance. Apple knows the living room is up for grabs, and in 2025, they want to win it. But the true magic of the Apple TV 4K 2025 goes beyond games. It is the viewing experience. Rumors suggest that Apple will bring a new generation of HDR, improved color accuracy, and better brightness tone mapping. This means movies will look closer to the director's vision. Dark scenes will show more. Detail highlights will look natural. Skin tones will appear more realistic. And for those who watch Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, HBO, or Apple TV+, the new chip means smoother streaming, faster scrubbing, quicker load times, and better frame rate. Support, but here's something even more interesting. The new Apple TV might become the center of Apple's home ecosystem. Apple is adding deeper HomeKit features, faster Matter compatibility, and AI-powered automation for your smart home. Imagine walking into your living room and everything adjusts automatically. Lights dim, temperature shifts. Your favorite show continues from the exact second you left. Triggered by the Apple TV. This is not just a TV box anymore. It is the controller of your digital environment. And now we enter the world of Apple's new obsession. Every Apple product in 2025 is getting a major AI boost. Including the Apple TV, with the improved Siri, you will be able to control your entire entertainment experience with natural language. Siri, show me something relaxing. Siri, play the show I watched 2 days ago. Siri, lower the lights and start movie mode. Simple human commands. No need to remember exact phrases. And what's even more exciting is the rumored personalized recommendations powered by on-device intelligence. Apple wants your Apple TV to understand your habits, your mood, and your preferences. Not by spying, not by collecting cloud data, but by processing everything directly on the device. Imagine sitting down at night and the Apple TV already knows what kind of content you want. Something funny, something deep, something short or long. This is next-level personalization with zero compromise on privacy. Speaking of privacy, Apple TV 4K 2025 is expected to continue Apple's strict privacy model. No tracking, no forced ads, no data selling. Many other streaming boxes bombard you with ads, even after paying for the device, but Apple TV stays clean and ad-free. That alone makes it feel premium. Now let's talk about something that many people will love: the price. For the first time ever, Apple might reduce the price of the Apple TV. They want more homes using it. They want more people joining the ecosystem. And they know that a lower price point could make this device explode in popularity, especially in the US. And here's something people always complain about: the remote. Too small, too slippery, too sensitive. But the 2025 model is rumored to bring a redesigned remote with a better grip, improved buttons, and possibly even Find My support again. Losing the remote in the couch? No problem. Another underrated part of the Apple TV is the ecosystem. No other streaming box integrates so smoothly with iPhone, iPad, Mac, AirPods, and HomePod. In 2025, Apple is adding new AirPods features like instant spatial audio syncing and improved shared listening. Imagine watching a movie with someone, both using AirPods, both hearing perfectly synchronized surround sound. Only Apple can do this. Now, let's talk fitness. Apple Fitness Plus will get a boost with the new hardware. Faster loading, smoother workout, transitions, better motion tracking with the Apple Watch, and Apple is exploring new wellness features, like posture reminders or gentle movement breaks during long TV sessions. Small features, but extremely helpful. Now, let's get into future-proofing. The Apple TV 4K 2025 is expected to support higher frame rate video, better Wi-Fi 6E or maybe even Wi-Fi 7, and improved Bluetooth for more stable accessories. This makes the device ready for the next 5 years easily. And if Apple enters deeper into cloud gaming or more advanced Apple Arcade content, this device will be ready. Now comes something very important. Apple wants the Apple TV to become part of their future vision of spatial computing. With the Apple Vision Pro, Apple might allow the Apple TV to stream spatial content directly to the headset. Imagine watching a movie in a virtual theater that looks and sounds real. Imagine watching a concert as if you're sitting in the front row. Devices working together, sharing experiences seamlessly, and Apple is also considering a completely redesigned user interface for tvOS in 2025. Cleaner menus, faster navigation, richer animations, more intelligent content recommendations, and personalized home screens. If this happens, Apple TV will feel like a brand new platform. Now let's talk about upgrades. People don't notice but matter a lot. More storage, more RAM, better energy efficiency, less heat, better performance over time. These things extend the lifespan of the device. But one of the biggest surprises could be a cheaper Apple TV device. Something like a small stick that plugs into the TV, similar to a Fire Stick or Roku. If Apple does this, their streaming dominance could grow instantly now. Imagine this. You come home tired, you sit down, you pick up the remote. The Apple TV wakes instantly, your lights adjust, your music plays softly, your evening routine begins. Not because you set anything manually, but because the device understands your habits. It knows you. It adapts to you. This is the future Apple is building, and now comes the biggest secret. Many experts believe Apple is preparing for something even bigger, a full Apple-branded television, not just a box. A complete TV designed and built by Apple and the Apple TV 4K. 2025 could be the final bridge toward that future. Powerful chips, advanced software, deep ecosystem integration, everything is pointing in that direction. Finally, is the Apple TV 4K 2025 worth it? If you want speed, smooth performance, premium quality, and zero ads, yes. If you want a device that lasts long and stays fast, yes. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, definitely yes. This device becomes the center of your entire entertainment. Experience 2025 will be a massive year for Apple's home strategy. And the Apple TV 4K 2025 is the silent powerhouse leading the way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.